OpenAI has announced preliminary support for plugins in ChatGPT. Plugins are tools specifically designed for language models, with safety as a core principle, that help ChatGPT access the latest information, perform calculations, or use third-party services. This means that ChatGPT is no longer just a language model database, it can connect to the internet and obtain the latest information. Previously, ChatGPT could only answer questions based on information before September 2021. Now, it can directly retrieve the latest news and even solve mathematical calculations. Additionally, individuals or companies can feed private data, documents, notes, emails, etc., to ChatGPT, making it a second brain for people or an intelligent assistant for companies. This means that third-party developers can now develop plugins for ChatGPT, integrating their services into ChatGPT's conversation window. According to the demonstration, the first batch of open plugins includes hotel and flight booking, food delivery services, online shopping, legal knowledge, professional Q&A, text-to-speech generation, as well as the Zapier plugin for connecting different products. OpenAI official plugins. OpenAI also provides two official plugins, Browsing and Code Interpreter. In addition, they have released a full process access guide to knowledge base type plugins for developers, ChatGPT Retrieval plugin. Browsing plugin uses the latest information on the internet to answer questions and provides search steps and content source links, using the Bing Search API. Below is an example of a ChatGPT user using browsing. If these questions were asked before, the model would politely point out that its training data is insufficient to provide an answer. In this example, ChatGPT retrieves the latest Oscar Award information, demonstrating browsing as an additional experience. In addition to providing obvious utility for end users, we believe that enabling thorough and interpretable research with language and chat models has exciting prospects for scalable alignment. Code Interpreter is an experimental ChatGPT model that can handle uploading and downloading using Python. It creates a sandbox that runs a Python interpreter, with temporary storage space under firewall control, capable of processing file uploads and downloads using Python. The entire virtual space is valid for the session period. In simple terms, it provides a Python interpreter that works in a sandbox and firewall execution environment, as well as some temporary disk space. The code executed by the interpreter plugin is evaluated in a persistent session, and subsequent calls can be built on each other. Currently, this feature supports uploading files to the current dialog workspace and downloading work results. Third-party plugins for ChatGPT. For third-party plugins, any developer can participate in the construction themselves, and OpenAI even provides a complete set of building processes, how to build your plugin in ChatGPT, which has already been open-sourced on GitHub.
This data
Currently
can then
supported
be used by
third-party
ChatGPT
plugins include
to
restaurant
generate responses
recommendations,
to user
travel planning, shopping, AI language teachers, online stores, as well as academic
on the
knowledge
internet
applications
and
like
provide it to
Wolfram and
ChatGPT
application
for
libraries,
use in
which
generating a
interact with over
response. One of the
5,000
key benefits
applications,
of the
including
Retrieval
Google
plugin
Sheets.
is that it allows
It seems that
ChatGPT to
ChatGPT
generate
has almost
responses
covered
that are
our
more
daily life
accurate
in terms
and
of food,
up-to-date than
clothing,
would be
housing,
possible using
transportation,
internal knowledge
work,
alone.
and learning.
By retrieving data from external sources,